Okay, I'm going to really quickly just show you how to create nodes and how to delete nodes. All right, so you do that in this, this plus nodes or add nodes menu, which you can either click on or you can hit A to get into it. And it brings up this little create node interface. All right, and listed here in the list box are going to be all the nodes that you can create, and creating them is as simple as clicking on them. So I'll just create two of those, and one of those, and one of those. And then when you're done creating nodes, you can just hit the X here or hit Escape to get out. All right. And what it's done is it's sort of randomly deposited these nodes on the canvas in the center here. If it just created them in the dead center, they'd stack directly on top of each other, and they'd be really hard to sort of differentiate. So I have it scatter them a little bit so you can kind of differentiate, keep them separate and not wonder how many exactly you've stacked up in the middle. All right, and you can move them around here relatively easy. You just click and drag. Deleting nodes, first you have to select them. So if you just click on them, they select. And these little numbers show up to show you the order of the selection, because some operations in here require a selection order to make sense of what it is that you're going to do. So it's just a little aid. Anyway, hey, you select the nodes that you want to delete. All right. And then you hold down the space bar for getting into selection mode, which has a lot of manipulations that you can do based on selection. And in here you have delete selected, which has a shortcut of the backspace. So you click that, and the two that were selected disappear. Again, you just select the node and then do space and delete selected, which is actually very quick on the keyboard or with the mouse. Okay, so again, to add nodes, we hit A to bring up the node creator. We just click on them and plop them down. And then we get out of there. And then we can select them, delete them by hitting space and then backspace. And we can do it one at a time, or we can do a whole bunch at once. All right, and that's creating and deleting nodes.